Hello and welcome to the flap task. This task challenges you to make precise movements with both hands without applying excessive force to the tissue. The best way to perform this task is to grasp the last third of the string with your left instrument, carefully pick up the flap with your right instrument. Then you move towards the opening with your left instrument, pass the string through the opening. Make sure to apply enough traction to the flap with your right instrument. After passing the string through the opening, transfer the flap to your left grasper and pick up the string with your right grasper. Be sure to rotate the string with your grasper and pass it through the other opening. That's how you complete the flap task. Now I will perform the task once more, but a bit faster. Thank you for watching the flap task training video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.